Hey, what's going on, YouTubers? Alright, so this is a Syma controller, which if you're familiar with, it's from a quadcopter. They have the X8 versions, and X5, I believe it's a miniature, so it's a smaller size one. So this is a mod that I have done to make it easier for me during flight times. And what I came across with is a little cook timer that you can find at the dollar store. Some people on eBay are selling these things for $3, $4, $5, $6, $7. You can look them up. They come in 3 different colors. But this particular timer at the dollar store is just $1. So if you pick this up, I have fixed it to the controller. It's easier than taking your phone out. It's right in front of you. So you have a heads up kind of display on the timer, and you can set it to whatever your flight needs are. So here's going to be another picture here with it towards the side view of how I actually mounted this. And it's actually just hot glued on. And this actually comes up it's very useful, because if you're flying, again, you have it right in front of you. Just take a glance down, because you always want to keep your eyes on the quadcopter, right? So you don't have to worry about waiting for the buzzer to see how much timer you have before you get it closer to you. So on mine, I just set it for 8 minutes, and it just counts it down. And once the alarm goes off, I know I have about 2 more minutes to bring it in and get it close to me and keep flying it a little bit, or just land and refresh the batteries and keep going. And then just reset the timer. The timer actually keeps the old timer, so as you start and stop, it goes right back to the timer that you set it. It always stays on. It's a little battery. It also can be replaced. There's plenty of room for it to be replaced. And it doesn't interfere with if you have the little phone holder that goes around the antenna. So the timer itself has a little kickstand, so you can set it up on the table. This is how I actually affixed it to the controller. Again, it's not in the way of anything. You can actually see that I put some hot glue there towards the stand around the antenna area, and down by the bottom where the Syma logo is, there's a little border. If you push it up against that border, you can mock it up and then turn around and put some hot glue across that and just put it in place. And right there you can see almost a little battery door, which again, it's just a small little screwdriver. You can get through it, and it's no problem. So this will definitely keep you up and flying in the times you should be, and down bringing it back when you should be bringing it back. So you set it accordingly to what you need it, and this is just a quick, easy way of doing that. So hopefully this was helpful. This is again just a mod for the Syma controller. Take care. Thanks for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe.